Hey everyone! It's a rainy day, perfect timing, because today I'm working on the 2012 to 2021 Ford Focus to show you where the windshield wiper fuses and relay are hiding. If your wipers have suddenly stopped, don't panic. It could be a simple fix. So let's dive in. In the Ford Focus MK3, you'll have two fuses and a relay used for the rear and front wiper motor. And all of the fuses are located in the engine bay fuse box. So here they are. This guy right here. This is your wiper relay. It kicks on when you turn your key to on. If your wipers aren't working, try giving it a tap. Still stuck? Easy trick. Swap it with another relay you know works, like your reverse light relay. Next, in the fuse spot number F18, you can find 20 amp J-case fuse right here. It feeds power straight to the front wiper motor. Next, this guy right here. This is your rear window wiper motor. It is a 15 mini fuse. You can pop off to check it or peek through the side to see if it's blown. Need to remove it? Wiggle and pull. Simple. On the Ford Focus MK4, locate the engine bay fuse box positioned between the battery and the vehicle's side wing fender. Inside this box, you'll find the two wiper motor fuses. You can see how you can access the fuses in my other video. So here are the fuses that you need to check. You can find the front wiper fuse in fuse slot number 75. It is a 20 amp M-case fuse. And for the rear wiper is in the fuse slot number 73 in the yellow 2O, a micro 2 fuse. To see if a fuse is blown, inspect the thin metal strip inside for a break. When replacing, it's crucial to use a fuse of the exact same type. Using the wrong one can cause problems. And that's it. I hope your wipers are back in action. Got questions or extra tips for troubleshooting? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for hanging out. Stay dry out there.